Hi, I'm Frank John Burkhardt Jr., owner of Burkhardt Nurseries in Pasadena, California, and I'm here to show you how to pot a strawberry plant. What you need to know is, first of all, in choosing a container, it's very important to choose a container that's going to breathe easier. Like clay will breathe, ceramics will not, so this will hold more water than this. So this will dry out faster, this will keep water in. So if you do use an ornamental pot, a lot of times what we'll do is we'll actually use a liner, a plastic liner, and plant it actually in a plastic liner. So if you have a problem of overwatering, you can take it out. Here we're going to go ahead and plant an alpine strawberry. These are the little small little miniature ones, European. And what we'll do is select a nice healthy plant. We have a nice organic potting soil. We'll put a little bit of potting soil inside. We'll tamp the potting soil so it's just firm, not up and down. Don't jump up and down on it. We just want to have it light. Then we'll take it out, examine the roots. If there's a little bit of root bound, you can go ahead and unravel it. A lot of times you can just take a little bit of a scissors, snip it. Then just make sure, do not shake and break the root ball. Then you'll take it, you'll center the plant in the middle of the pot. You'll take your organic potting soil, put it around the sides. We've got a little bit more here. And then what we'll do is tamp the sides just a little bit. Make sure that the crown's a little higher than the soil level. What I like to do is, after it's been in for a couple of weeks or so, then I'll add the fertilizer. So at this point, all you're going to do now is just water it. Thank you. I'm Frank Burkhardt, showing you how to pot a strawberry plant.